Hey, it's Patrick, and let's talk about this Stockton Brake Bleeder. If you've ever had to bleed your brakes, you know what a pain and a tedious process that can be. Pumping that lever and trying to operate the bleeder valve on the caliper at the same time can be just kind of like a nerve-wracking experience because you don't want to let air back into the system. Anywho, this will make that job much, much easier. For 60 bucks, you will love to have this in your garage. Even if you only use it once or twice a year, totally worth the money. Just think about when you're bleeding your brakes, if you would pay somebody 60 bucks to come along and help you, well, this thing will help you. Comes with all the attachments you need, no matter what type of caliper you have, to fit on the end of your bleeder. It's nice and it's metal. A lot of these that you buy like at an auto parts store or something are plastic. This one's metal and it has a nice vacuum gauge on there. 120 milliliter reservoir here. When you're bleeding those brakes, give you a little time to bleed that brake and fill this up. It's not gonna run all over the place while you're bleeding the brake. Overall, like I said, for 60 bucks, totally worth having in your garage. For those few times a year you're going to bleed your brakes. And hey, maybe you can rent it out to your buddies when they're bleeding their brakes for 10 bucks a pop. Make your money back. Anyway, if you're looking for more information, go ahead and click that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That'll take you to the product detail page where you can read other writers' reviews and more specs about this brake bleeder. If you're still looking for more information, go ahead and reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Now go work on those motorcycles.